Welcome to this video on why most businesses fail at marketing. We'll uncover the hidden mistakes that are killing brands and provide a strategic guide to fixing them. Why does this matter? Because 90% of startups fail, and poor marketing is the leading cause. Many businesses post blindly and copy competitors, wasting time, money, and damaging their reputation. We will reveal the 4 biggest marketing traps and how you can escape them. Marketing is not just posting on social media. It is the strategic process of connecting the right message to the right audience at the right time. It involves 4 key foundations: research, storytelling, emotion, and execution. Remember, without strategy, marketing becomes random noise. The 4 deadly sins of marketing are posting without strategy, copying competitors, lacking emotional identity, and weak storytelling. These mistakes lead to wasted resources, loss of trust, becoming a commodity, and being forgettable. Deadly sin number 1 is posting without strategy. This is like driving without a destination. A solid strategy defines your goals, audience, and metrics. Without it, every post is a shot in the dark, leading to wasted resources and no results. Deadly sin number 2 is copying competitors. By copying, you become a worse version of them, losing all trust and originality. Instead of copying success, you should seek to understand why it worked and adapt it to your unique identity. Be the first you, not the next Apple. Deadly sin number 3 is having no emotional identity. People buy feelings, belonging, and identity, not just products. If you only list features and prices, you become a commodity. Emotional identity is what makes customers choose you over a cheaper alternative. Customers never forget how you made them feel. Deadly sin number 4 is weak storytelling. Facts inform, but stories sell. A story about transformation is memorable, while a list of features is forgettable. Great marketing embeds every message inside a story where the audience can see themselves. Consider the tale of 2 cafes. The random cafe failed by posting daily menu photos and using generic captions. The viral cafe succeeded by sharing the founder's journey, telling customer stories, and having a clear mission. Intentionality drives success. Avoid common mistakes like believing more posts equal more growth, or that copying trends will make you viral. Remember, marketing is an investment, not an expense, and no product speaks for itself. Don't put off fixing your marketing. Your competitors aren't waiting. The marketing success formula involves 5 steps. Define your audience, craft your story, build emotional identity, choose channels wisely, and measure and adapt. This strategy to data workflow leads to sustainable growth. In short, failure is defined by a lack of strategy, copying, focusing only on features, telling no stories, and a spray and pray approach. Success is built on clear goals, a unique voice, emotion-driven connection, storytelling, and data-adapted decisions. The difference is intentionality. Here are the key takeaways. Strategy first, posts second. Be original, lead with emotion. Tell stories. Start today. Stop posting. Start connecting. Marketing is not magic. It is strategy, emotion, story, and consistency, practiced daily. It's time for your move. Stop posting and start connecting.